and just some no could do headquarters. I could do all my Twene Jonas. I could do the name. If I proposed 0.75% charge na kedebe to wallet to bank transfers on empty mobile money so no. I could do Twene see there be also what time there in the magnifier when you grant me ya. Oh, believe we say enke E-Levy. And on best of but no be test what test no. Twene abeke kana adwen. Me man chiri mu no atire wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section. How PENYAH block media. Me so say any day mo. Obe like video no da subscribe button, some click notification corner features update aba chire wa adwen de amame e wo comment section. Oba so a no share for anya bia hwe. So it was last week Monday. Ana MTN for send a message bi edema the customers. Omo chire mu say nyame adom a anka next week Monday e di anime no. 1st June 2026 you know. Omo initiate some charges be a charge it is a 0.75% levy on wallet to bank transfer. How I say? They say, oh yeah, to transfer any amount of money from mobile money wallet to any bank account it will come at a service fee of 0.75%, but it is capped at 5 cedis, meaning say transfer obey and can the charges no exceed 5 cedis biano. It will be maintained at 5 cedis. Also, and even 10,000 kwana. They will deduct 5 cedis. And no na almost added that message in buy. It is this message buy, you know. And in Pemika said there be. I do any the MTN phone going to me so that crop say almost the charges and almost the tax be good man for so. I better buy no enya way e jolo hemua. E-Levy na say omo pese omo de ba na omo hu conversion for brand na omo da ma MTN nka starting say wallet to bank then later no say subsidy na say Ghana for anka hwe abe say na fe no na tell say abadwan ne say Ghana for anka hwe a ye say na fe kura no ye da ba on all momo transactions. I momo the same way I want for can media na so a ema enu ano Bank of Ghana governor Johnson Sama on na swear you omo the crata ba want to tell say there be that proposed 0.75% transaction 0.75% fee per transaction on wallet to bank transfer no and committee for initiating yam 1st June 2026 that is Monday day no omo aka champion for so omo ntombo asiansa na omo ntena se as omo nya further consultation enim common nyingita ho e wo ho ne ade ansa na later omo de aba e ma do ekura no be kaya this communicator Abdullahi ekwatena Joy Prime hono I
want to talk about let me address Grace. I'm surprised that a party that once preached digitalization is now against e-visa transaction.
Okay. I didn't say I was against. If you don't mix my words, I never said I was against it. I said it's a good thing, but we would make sure we have to look at the disadvantages.
So you see, let me tell you why we are ready. We are ready because this particular process is going through internationally acclaimed security platforms like the ICAO security certification. And one thing that we must know is that the e-Transact is going to admit the rest of the world, apart from Africa. It's going to admit the rest of the world. Okay. And these are people that are very, very conscious about their security. And therefore, if the platform does not serve their interest, as time goes on, we're going to see by the application process whether or not they're going to be there. And now, another thing I also want to state is that the resident permit is a process, and it is not automatic. You need to apply for it, and like all other best practices, if you qualify, you are given all the relevant considerations.
So it's not something that
it's not automatic. I mean, it's not, you see, like I said earlier, the people that are applying for free visa are not automatically aligned to, what do you call it, permit.
I say, oh, kasa we are not any there. I Ghana for now. This charges will not accommodate banner. I'm not sure on there or no there. And E-Levy. E-Levy, no modeba, E-Levy, bibia. Snitchems on there. E-Levy. Now, more de finance are constantly a crack like a Ghana for one can here. Near size standing coha. Ghana can tell me, I was say, about this dinner, you tia. Twene, I will born out.
And this phone in a moon, and this phone in a moon and cram my mobile and E-Levy. Moya mua yani ye bekwa ko fa MPP fo na ba me donyame wo beji dum so levy ama Ghana fo adasumu na wasan de kwasia betena se wo beji E-Levy aden na majimi NDC fo nknaman munni twa sere se June 1st obia start ehwen wallet so se ni sika adwoma ma ba be wia o E-Levy moya mua na se MPP fo ye far better than mo munni ni twaba sere se anadwu boja dwomama wo bewu nansia anze afa o chiche nkran nyame na atwa oka unim so wagimi aden no amia fa kofo admo sa ye fa ba omie kra sa anka fa sauce wo dwan unim se nyansan ni utima aboa wo ba se ento aba ma sa anyeden na me ka chose magic coffee maboa mi ntime monti bi ya aka ne to dasbi mun ma fa yankwase afo ne kakra of course oba so anu a share no kre no obi a share no kre no Ghana mpanifo agimi no do especially NDC for no Oba no share no criminal to dustbin. Of course, who did we are? You got dustbins, uncountable number of dustbins. Fatum from yeah. Abrofon kran e chelo ahano. Charlie mami fanto dustbin. What did you got option? Fatu dustbin from, of course, heavy nam now. And me blue BMW ni nam. Me koye money moves baby. And I'm be fire ankwasi afo ni kakra. Oba so anu share no kra no. So I say near tour the greatest city on planet Earth, New York City, baby. John Mama, ukro munsu be kuma free ase. Nya na see akufo adu Jimmy. Of course, many me blue BMW ni nam. Nice and blue, high quality premium machine. Amisha broni. Nya na see akufo adu Jimmy. Onim nyansa yankoto abamamo. Na mo de mo ba mo magi E-Levy. Na mo ne mo kwase akofo adum so Levy bai. Anu so anipa da sum sesi ado kwase abetra se obagi E-Levy. Chese unkwa wa mamuo kankan oba mfaso bia ma wo so how John Mama aden we chimi se ana me ka cho se ma me tina me luxury BMW no na yento a wo map no se ye beto the greatest city no me yere mi tu kwai ko ba bi o mbeduru ya ni of course ma me me ka na pampam na wo map no nshutu John Mama o beji di ade E-Levy obisi change your style uni chance kaltie no kre wasia eye John Mama ba ya wa Jimmy de min change me style akofo ado gi E-Levy ame fa na wa betwero mo fa ya kwasia John Mama nyansa na ntima anka no a waso Ghana sojafo ni police fo amoma kokko no ngwa kura asia kochi asuko no ma akura ketiketi awona na kansoa di watem because we Jimmy wa mani da sumu na odwan ye di watem abra Asante region police wo ho ni asoa Ghana national security mun kwachi akura ketekete asuko no ma John Mama we aboa we Jimmy o akura di boni a yemfa police ni soja na kwachi no we Jimmy e so dwan ye chi ni atwa ne to mani aja no ko ba bi okọ ne ba bi asuko no ma akura ketekete ukoka o ni krom ni tani akura no kro chi ni John o your friend Mahama ntimen kan meni na tem ni krom ni osisi na nka nya hwe kwasia Ghana ni bia wo equal right, freedom of expression. Kevin Taylor abua John Mama abone pass on TV so nkyere nkura no se obe yen threatened yesi threaten nipa na nkura na qualify omusua Kevin Taylor abua na mo na ma qualify na omu threaten John Mama abua afedi entina kwasia Kevin Taylor pentoto papa kokura na wo akobie TV amano so ntina so na on threaten kufuo on threaten yo memi achi kufuo memi ya ese kufuo na onu abobra wasi dama John Mama kwasia mpanyi ni team no John Mama ni bae no onu anka senya sikodi akoto private jet na besiwo na o man no obi ebere ontimi ntua chichafo ontimi ntua nesefo kufuo betena so tua obi asika kuafo nyina John Mama kwasia ni ntimi ntua but sa kromfutachi amoana bo o passe di kufuo atem e wo TV so kufuo nso omo penasem sa kura ya wo makwachi ni kufuo tam ye wo no ye wo ni free enti se ne maame ene ne papa de ne ba wi ase omo ka che ze wo enye kufuo kura nke ya abortion you ni e ho kire na kufuo si ya mewo mu free ya wo mu wi a ye sam fam nko school free enti ono akra ne aka we nyina chenze kufuo ayedan e di school free by basic school esisi school dan emi ya wo mu nyina free maternity fo nyina akọ free enti akra ne ti wono ni papa ni kufuo indirectly because kufuo ne ma ye wo ne ba wi ase enti se wa Kevin Taylor aboa pa se ono metreti kufuo se kufuo eba wo hotel no nso charge e de abase Kufuor ba de no eye bank na ato hotel na ma Kufuor ba company bi Kufuor ba ye den eye member keke o enti se Dwoma Makwase ya wawia taxpayers money akoto private jet ama Ibrahim Makwase ampanyini Kufuor ba bia ni wa ni nua kura kwa galamse Dwoma nua Ibrahim Makwase ampanyini o sensu anopatu anwumre so enti mo amachimi sa na mfaso bia ni muso no na mono mabopa se kwabena internet TV so masan ko wia yesika bia TV ama no no ntra so no nkyere nkura ne se o mbetumi atrate mpanifo a wadi ase na o ma qualify o ma sua adwuma na Kevin Taylor knaman ne kyere o mo no na o mo trate wo Dwoma Makwase ampanyini a o so wagimi ntoa so agana sojafo ni police free clan se o mo mechi akura mfiri Asante region konkran wagimi a se odwan wo aboa kura ho mfaso kye Dwoma aboa ni ho mfaso kye wo ba wi aso ati se kye akura da kwasia aden we chimisa asuko no makura kiti wadi boni a ese ni maami na ofre no na ni maami akofi akobo no sa ne ye no aboa aden we chimi machiu kwasia wo ye kromfo ho na ache mo odwan me sa ne ebu amai kwasia wo belusu mo NDC mo mapawa bi o mo ye moa odi amami we ofesa last ado kwasia be kwa akochi akura ketwa bi o aina akura ni esilam ni ntinka o sisi ni krom ni a jaimen ka ho asem wa bodam silam ni ya Ghana ni o equal right o ye human being adan na machimi ni nua Dwoma na akura akochi ne bakura na ne bani anda e jameba be fire no wa chimi akura ye nkwache no panyiri a wadi from 18 aircon one nim ne left and right akura bia onam yas bia wagimi onim ni oye de ohun TV so no oye bibi ko Kevin Taylor aboa enete so no okire omo ono so wan na employ no Dwoma Makwase ampanyi na employ no so ontena so no hunahuna nkofuo no onim nkofuo atem so eti Dwoma no wo kwase ya won directly no wan wa kire nkran so mo ntrete wo because one han Kevin Taylor so ntrete nkofuo a nkran so be trete ubi. I'm sorry, it is what it is. Akradie onu onim nyansa bia o na me catch you say me blue BMW ni nesi on Dwoma Makwase ampanyi tie me akra onim nyansa ntina Bible say momma mofra we mra me nchen na we mu na osura ahemam ya yere yesiesie odi ato amam odi entia because akra ye bone anyankopon de che no ntipan kwase Dwoma hama pan kwase pan hunu pan jimifo unim na akwachi akura bio a mem ya yeku atu saada na hu fio ate won kankan abua sa na ebu oman anti police division bi ni Asante region a wasua entuo akese de akodifa akura kitikiti ntu wusi wajimi Dwoma mi wa Kevin Taylor abua ne hu kankan odi America ebeduru Ghana no Namu di America the police obviously like go and finance BMW M5 2027 Jimmy me M5 competitions yo all the as me finance you I buy anything cash me nye Jimmy for na me kota the en ma akwaje bosin akoto na me tia interest I buy anything cash ena me wo cash bebrebe me M5 me wo bebrebe ena 2027 ye no kwa me mempe hybrid car mempe V8 and a V12 sound mmeti o masu mempe car ya ni hybrid enti me kwa me customize it me from car company no munye we ma me bia me panel features a me panu ntime nya me nto car me nko na esisi won makoto me ana me dan me me features mo me pe we nti o mo build ma me sa na me to me car ntime car bia me obi a custom built what you say from me GT from me Empower, from me where M8 competition. O kanya ade ABC dia 8 no was so chain 5 into na metri M8 no. I just say into M5 no form na M8 no was so more luxurious. I just say enti tie no kra na judge no me I got money the empe na me bi akoto. I just say mama nyina Dwoma aboa no so because the oil no say kuro no enkra akra bia ni nyansa o wiase. Enti akra no ye oye no hwan na ekire no Kevin Taylor aboa na wabie TV amane so ntena so nwunwuna nkofo no anti omo no hu ni say normal na me catch us every 1 minute bia bye bye na na wachi akura ketekete se o metua 1 billion your mam we chimi unu kwatufo ni na mu ni twasere wo ye kwasia wachi akura ketekete se o metua 1 billion no for passport akura passport obi jimi payini na wo passport wo Ghana aboa de na your mam ma chimi sa ntafo nwan payini kura no nya de onu atukwan da o de passport ye de wo Ghana ho aden na ma chimi sa o man no bi pedi obedi bedidi anwumre kura de aye nyame aye boachi bidi enti onu de onyanya aduane ni ya obeda nya sika kotua bribe akwaye passport ma jimi on enti akura na mo so nkofa passport mra no onu wahu passport da aden na machimi NDC fo aden na machimi we na nka soja fo police fo dwoma makwasia de akobo time we yagikwam no wachi akronfo 50 wachi from 400 no bia boajosi ye dwoma mama o man mai save dabi wachimi an kranketenkete na wo che omo ko chimi wo de misi we your first and last akra we o na kanso afa wo chimi fa police ko chini bio unfiu atjo mama kwasia bi ba akra di boni ayo ka kire ne maame na ne maame atia na ofie aboa payini na di boni ayo ba police for ko chino na ntwie mu chimi kwasia bi ba tia wo de NDC fo mu nyam kwasia de wo over Kevin Taylor aboa ti wo hunahuna kufu a wabobra amia wo nkura ne free wabobra asisi school dan wasi dan ma dwomama kwase ampanyini tima Jubilee House anwumre bia o twom dwomama kwase ampanyini ono otina so 2 years mfaso abane so bisa se 2 years apatakura ochimi abobi ni ufin ne won kan kufu less than 1 year no this is Jubilee House no wantinam brother wantinam na dwomama boatim wanya dan mu da o free na wantimi anyi ni pa wabobra ya osimasa akobo pa se meknaman entina ho medi papa natem se papa no 90 years otihwimu enti papa o 90 years otihwima ede na nwanwa o wi ase enipa do se na timinya 50 years plan se no mawu 60 years plan enipa do se na timinya bi no mawu afiri ase enti jomama onkochi akura bi ona mi so mu ahun ohwu akura metu atofam se wo so wachimi a on kankan wate kwasia machu 24/7 kwasia sane ebu oman about 24-hour economy no ns o concentrate jimi na wona mfaso bia ni so na nam na mebesi market okro bi asumisi wi na 24-hour economy best start woni twasere Wasia, Mampanyin, your job is to implement law. And one is a start okay, say a new law about Ghana, I bet you be a minimum 1 hour be a 20 cities empty 1 hour no be himself 8 hours escape no benya or we are another shift is starting every 1 minute be a my masinamu. Now if you want my doom song kwasia doom so na jinaso lights na jinaso 24 hours. Afeno company omoye adwuma no mbetinya start put 2 measures in place ye betinya employ nipa 24 hours kwasianya wo na ese kwasisi market mampanyin you implement law and you enforce the law simple odwan make law say system na wo krom ano enti say tax na yeji this kana kotwe Ferrari Lamborghini ne Bentley abegu ye nkwase amana omo kankan antafo ma omo nya adwuma da omo ti ena mo ye show off no say sika no ye beja ise ye de totoka ahunu no ne de sika na am base company omo ntimi afford minimum payment ni aboa omo ni ayere ya build structures a ebetimi ama 24-hour economy has started. There be my Jimmy in a munam and Yachina Aquachi Adiachi Ayachi, Mama Kevin Tell, I'm Jimmy Mobia could Kevin Tell and on Pejimio. Every 1 minute to be a by Massina, Munyamisha Bruni having a me blow be am no bunin down if you wanna make chillin. Because Kevin Tell and TV so chill and bonnie and us and crannish Yano move they buy real life one. Now the question I say, Cochina, Memobia could Kevin Tell and only what. Oh man made president be atema nkranuzun kodi president for fratem tiri amecho ano Kevin Taylor ne ba na udwo mama ho kankan wa the national security bo ne ho ban with the police di kwasia we yachi uwia na kwasia mpanyin mfaso 2 years atwamo mfaso ben pa na yenya free udwo mama ho kankan wo ba yeso apart from unia Ibrahim mama kwasia mpanyin a ho black vote nsu eye galamse mfaso a yenya wo ho ne hyen e wo de ade so ne Every 1 minute we are by Massina, the system is working 24/7. Life is good in heaven on earth. Two sad the Okashi Abetan, I say, Sika Magic E-Levy in Amadi. My Fadum so live in Amagino Madi, Mantian to transform a Mantian Toke Bunti, the Biagana for the Sumu. And Sumidio may say, Kofa E-Levy, but you see, I'll be send this car, yes, baby. And what makes you different from MPP for MPP are far better than Kwasi penny your mama, woman more kind. By way of first and last, I bet Chakra, Chakra, you na head, you see, Bamia, you too. Bible see a monk home by Omunim She, they don't know what they are doing, they just learn from Penifuano, and to Kevin Taylor, and be a TV, no, deep, Fuatema, almost so baby, your mama, tem, Noma. And he said, Uno, Mofrano, Omunim, and Santi, and one said, Akrana is an open mammy fear. Nana Potase, and yet, Mamma, Mubani, Kevin Taylor, one of you, even though she a Jimmy Yacobi TV, Amano. Mamma Manny, Hebion was Yatem, Lydia Bedi, Penivata, simple young first soldier form for two, and Kwasi Akohanti criminal, my Jimmy, your mamma, on can count it. A poor Uba, Omana, more tantine, Obana, Bakuna, and it is a Suntino. Our bani, no dicker Piasan and body a piano. Bisan say, I saw you for the police for Eddie 2 uniform them, the never say Quasha Selsa. Trama obe feminine, I banned it. Then I'm more to Obama Ghana for Pemashamia to Obama more. Mubeye be a man Ghana and there be Fasobia Mamma so Jimmy Kwana Mujimi Okronum. Huh? Criminal near the 2 quacheno. What I say, Obi do at them, Obisi and Kwa, Kevin Taylor and the Dika status here in Kumini Power TV so. A public national television, maybe I want to so. I say Kufua Yakukuni free in Cottage jail. And you almost be able to be a Mahama, a simple on Udo, your mamma, Obisu do Kufuano. Mimeti I could Kufu Bass and I'm Frucos Kuntimedo Kufu. Mipe Kevin Taylor Kunin, I just so slow in Takamaba Pama Udi Fukuno, a Kufua or Kan in Tia. I Kufuado and can farm by Kufu. What do I say? A normal Kufuya Kumasi, I may benefit here. Any gun and you know benefit and unbelievable. Man, penny be a buying obey and command a.
Wait to the Edia Mammy. Ever comment. According to you, do you believe that E-Levy and Eba and now say empty and 4 and air 2 charges? Your opinions are welcome. Wait much the wife and Amame. Ever comment section. How you PENYAH Media. Accra.